Boiron Folliculinum 200CK, homeopathic medicine for discomfort and aches associated with PMS-The. Product details. Customize your care with Boiron single medicines for highly targeted relief. Folliculinum 200CK is a homeopathic dilution of folliculinum that relieves discomfort and aches associated with PMS. The pellets melt in your mouth and can be taken on the go, no food or water needed. Boiron USA. About Boiron. With more than 85 years of expertise, Boiron is a trusted brand that prides itself on quality manufacturing and responsible environmental practices. All products are made according to the highest standards of cGMP and formulated with HPUS ingredients for purity. A single active ingredient for highly targeted relief. No known interactions with other medications, herbs, or supplements. Pellets melt in mouth without the need for food or water. Ideal for adults and children. No artificial colors, flavors, sweeteners, or preservatives. Includes one easy dispensing tube of approximate 80 pellets, 16 doses.